I want to do a quick video on an issue I'm having on my generator. It was supposed to run today, but when I came out later on this afternoon, I don't remember it running for its test, but I came out and I saw this red light, and both of these breakers were tripped. Now, if you look on the panel, I had this stop alarm RPM sensor error code 1505. Usually, is what I'm hearing, and I'm going to test that out, is that I hear that it's the battery. Even if I go, so to clear this, you just hit off, enter, and that should clear it. And if I go down, or hit escape, and then go down twice to battery, it tells me my battery is good. All that is telling me that I've got good voltage. Doesn't necessarily mean I got good cranking amps. This battery is about, I don't know, maybe 5 years old. So it may be time to go. So, since I know that that battery's been around for a while, I'm just gonna go ahead and order a new one. I'm just gonna order it on Amazon. This battery isn't actually the battery that it should have had. So I'm gonna, you can see it's got some corrosion on it. I mean, I'll probably clean that up and see if it works, but since that battery's 5 years old, I think I'm just gonna replace it. So let me go ahead and get a new battery, and then we'll give this a try. Because there are some other options. There's a sensor that you can disconnect and see if it still does it. I'm not sure where it's at, but most of the time, I'm told that it's not the sensor. It's not the RPM sensor, it's the battery. But we're gonna test that out first and see if that's the easy fix. All right, got a new battery in. It's a 26R. Now it says 540 cold cranking amps. This is a 510, but it was only 90 bucks total with a little cleaning tool, minus the core charge. So let's see how it works. There we go. Works like a charm. Now, if you change your battery and you get the same problem, then you might want to go ahead and call a professional, come out and look at that sensor. But that seemed to work fine for me. Usually you'll notice that it will crank slower. And that's telling you that the battery is starting to lose its amperage over time. Like I said, that one was 5 years. This one I think is guaranteed for 2 years. Got it in AutoZone. Just went down the street and got it. And you'll notice that my light is green now. Everything is in good shape. So if you got any questions, hit me up and subscribe. I'll talk to you all later.